I've been a truck driver since 2019. A recruiter reached out to me on Facebook, and I was talking back and forth with him for several months before I made the choice to come to C1. I believed him, and luckily it all was true. Yeah, I just took a chance like you would any other company. You don't really know what the recruiter's lying or not. But when I came to C1, I came with an open mind, and I believed what the recruiter said, and it turned out all to be true. When I first came for orientation, they put me in a really nice hotel just right over there. I met some office staff. We did paperwork. They were all very polite and nice, which is refreshing because I went to a bigger carrier before, and at the larger carrier, you're just like a number, and you're pushed through the orientation system there, and people aren't just friendly and polite, and they're just not. They're not happy to be at work even. At C1, everybody was smiling and happy and friendly. I went to this office building across town, and everybody was just they were smiling. That was the biggest impression I seen. And then, of course, I talked to some drivers that I met in the yard that had been here a while and told me some things and everything. But this is really the only company I've worked for that when I have a maintenance issue, they address it immediately. When I have billing issue, payroll issue, which isn't very often, they address it immediately. And they're polite, and they don't, I mean, you guys are just, the way that they talk to the drivers is a different tone than a mega carrier. You guys are large, and I hope that you get larger. I hope you do get to that size, but please don't never lose that part of it, you know, the interaction.